What's up, you guys? So I'm sorry that I look kind of a mess right now. I'm wearing just like the t-shirt that I slept in. It's a, what is this? I think it's like a Black Sabbath t-shirt. And also my hair, I have not done anything to it since Christmas, and I had it in a ponytail. That's why I have this like kink. I didn't want to end 2019 with my previous video. I wanted to make another one just to, you know, say some things, and also I thought this would be a really fun video to make for New Year's Day, because I know that it can get a little rough that night. Growing up, and I mean, you know, up until like 3 years ago, I did not take my makeup off before bed, which I know is the most terrible thing ever, and I was just like, people are overreacting, like it can't be that bad, I don't notice that much of a difference. But little did I know that it makes a huge difference, because I had the worst skin back then, and now not only am I saving like my pillows, because it used to be covered in orange and it was disgusting, and then my face would be all like gross in the morning. It's just, I don't know why I thought that was like a normal thing to do. So definitely take your makeup off at the end of the night, no matter how tired you are. It's so easy, and I'm going to show you some products that like kind of speed up the process so it's not like a chore, you know? And I will say just before I do this that my makeup is on there. Like, I don't know if this sounds braggy or what, but like whatever I do to my skincare, like not skincare, like my foundation routine, this does not come off, like ever. Like if you have traditional makeup wipes like Neutrogena or whatever, or like the liquid makeup removal, doesn't come off. It's like cement. If anything, it'll just like cake up in different places. So I have never really used makeup wipes. I kind of hate them. So I do want to thank YesStyle for sending me all of this stuff. They sent it to me a while ago, but you know, I like to use stuff and then make sure what I like, what I don't like, and you know, put these things together. But I am very thankful they picked the best stuff to send me, and I'm so grateful that I'm able to like tell you guys like straight away what the good stuff is, instead of you having to like trial and error, because that's annoying. So I don't like makeup wipes from, I'm not trying to drag them, but like Neutrogena or any of the ones that you just like find in CVS or Walgreens or whatever, because they've never been able to take my makeup off gently. Like I always feel like I'm scrubbing the hell out of my skin, and that cannot be good for like the elasticity of my skin or anything. I'm not trying to look old when I'm not. So I didn't find out about it until a BoxyCharm like last year or something, but I love cleansing balms. If you haven't heard of a cleansing balm, it's just like this Vaseline sort of textured stuff, or like coconut oil textured stuff, I guess, that you like put on your skin and then you rub it around and it'll take your makeup off in like 3 seconds. So they sent me this one-step cleansing balm that leaves skin moisturized. It's the brand AGATHA Optimum cleansing balm. I just literally read everything on there that I probably didn't need to, but I think it's cute, not only for like the rose gold top, but it's got this cute little dog. I don't know if you can see that. It's got a little dog on it. I don't know why it reminds me of Kate Spade. I've only ever used another cleansing balm before that was like pharmacy brand or something, which was really great too. This basically works the exact same way. The only thing I can say is that this one does not give me pimples or anything. I don't think the pharmacy one did either, but I wasn't taking care of my skin back then to be able to confidently tell you guys that. You open this, it comes with like a little spatula thingy, which I really appreciate because I don't like getting my fingers like too much in it, you know? I assume most people know this, but I will say it just in case somebody doesn't. If you are new to wearing fake eyelashes, please take them off before you do this, because it is going to ruin them. I can't say that confidently because I don't think I've ever done that, but I wouldn't recommend leaving them on. I literally just get my little spatula guy and I dig some out. Like, that's actually too much. You don't need that much. You can just like whack it on your face wherever. This is actually like, it ends up being on my fingers anyway. It looks like cream kind of, but it's like a coconut oil sort of texture. And then it just melts straight away. I literally just, I don't know if you can see that, but like, it just liquefies makeup on contact, which is what you want. I am not pressing too hard. None of my skin is dragging anywhere, which is a major concern for me. Might be different depending on where you live, but do you remember in like the 7th grade when this was a look, when like girls would put foundation all over their lips? And like, the next thing that I do is I get a wet wipe. I usually get ones that like, they don't have makeup remover or anything in it. It's literally just like a butt wipe, and then I just wipe all of that off. And again, I'm not rubbing too hard because I don't want my skin dragging. And now that my skin is free of makeup, I'm going to go in with actually another cleansing oil this time. That's what it is, right? Cleansing oil? Yeah. It basically can do the same thing, but from experience, I know that I just like the way the balm feels better. I feel like it just gets it off faster with a smaller amount of product, which is what I'm into. So I'm very happy with using the cleansing balm to get rid of the bulk of the makeup off. But this from Green Cleansing Oil, this is also to take makeup off, but it's more of like a cleanser as well. So it's not just going to take off the surface makeup, it's going to like get into your pores and stuff. And a reason that I really wanted to use this is that if you have not seen my previous skincare video with YesStyle, they sent me this blue system. It's like a 3-pot system. I'll link that video down below if you don't know what I'm talking about, but I was saying that I absolutely loved the moisturization features of that system because I found out that it has oil in it. I think it's like olive oil or something, which I had no idea was a good thing to put on your skin. But especially me with my dry skin, that was like a life changer. I think that's one of the main reasons my skin cleared up as well as it did. So I really liked that this has oil in it, and I'm just like grabbing at any excuse to put oil on my skin now because I think it's the answer to everything. See, this one is a little like harder to control. I'm making a mess. I literally just do the same thing again, so this is a fresh one. Okay, so this is another reason that I do it. This one has picked up a little that the last one didn't do, so that's always what I want. I don't want to go to bed with nasty old makeup on my skin. So after I've completely removed all my Facebook... Why do I keep saying Facebook? What am I saying? After I've taken all of my makeup off, why was that so hard? I get into like a trio of serums. This whole like get unready with me, I should have said this in the first place, is more like not lazy, but like every single day I have a whole skincare system that I try to go through twice a day, which has the toner, moisturizer, serum, anti-aging stick, and an eye cream. I feel like I'm forgetting something else, but there's, you know, it's just like a whole parade. This is for like when you're drunk or you're really tired after a night and you don't particularly feel like doing any of this in the first place. So this is just trying to make it so that you're taking care of your skin whilst also being a tiny bit lazy about it. Instead of putting all of these like moisturizers and stuff on, I've been using these 3, I don't want to say they're all serums. I would call them a serum, but only one of them says serum, so I don't know. One of them says a word that I can't even pronounce, but they all do different things. So the first one that I use is this, what is it called? Fundamental Watery Oil Drop. This one I use for moisturizing, so in place of a moisturizer, because I feel like moisturizers are just more time consuming to spread all over the place. And this, I love the smell of this one too. It smells like really clean. Okay, so the Dear Klairs Watery Drop is the first one that I use. That one's for hydration. The second one that I use is the word that I don't know how to pronounce. Ampoule? Ampoule? Somebody please tell me phonetically how to pronounce this word right here, because I have absolutely no idea. All I know is that I've used ones from YesStyle in the past. It was a different brand than this one, but I love them. I feel like it does what collagen products tell you that they're going to do, but it's not collagen at all. Like, this is mainly for restoring the skin from any damage that could have happened. I mean, you just had like a whole cake face on for the whole day. I just feel like this is like healing. That's what I use it for. Plus this one has a lot of really cool products in it. It's got broccoli, it's got oatmeal, like it's just the weirdest arrangement of stuff. And I know some of you may be thinking that I am going overboard with like oily stuff on my skin, but I have been using this for a month now and I cannot express the improvement to my skin. I've really never had skin this amazing before, and I love having like such a oily, wet, damp face before I go to bed, because when I wake up it gives me the most amazing canvas to work with. Like, my skin is just the perfect amount of moisturized when I wake up and everything's all like laid down and smooth, and I need to film a video in the morning when I wake up from this so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. Like, I know that this might be like normal skin to some people, but I've had such bad skin my whole entire life that this is just like something I never thought I would have, and I'm so excited about it. So this one also smells really good as well, by the way. It smells just like when you're like walking past Lush. That's what this smells like. Okay, so now for the final product. It is my third serum, and I know you're thinking that I'm going overboard, but I promise you this is necessary. So this one is, I can't say this one either, SIORIS? I'm just gonna show it to you. I don't know. This one I use for, it's literally called Bring the Light. It's for brightening the skin. I love brightening products so much. I can honestly not tell you if it makes a difference, but I feel like I can see a difference in the morning. I just don't know what it is. I just like look better. And the really cool part about this bottle I love is that you can like, that's the dropper thing. It comes up and then you keep spinning and then it comes out. I'm a sucker for like weird packaging like that. And this one feels amazing. All three of these serums have such different scents. This one is more of like a citrusy one. They're all good and they do not clash with each other. The smell actually kind of goes away once you put it on your skin. I think my skin is just drinking the formulas. That's why I have to put so much of this stuff on. This one I love though. It feels thinner than the other ones. Like the other ones are a little bit thicker and I feel like I would have had to put more on for it to feel as like slidey on my face, but this one is really nice. But yeah, that is everything that I do to get unready. I love the system. I love that YesStyle keeps knocking it out of the park when they send me this stuff. I can't tell if they're just like picking the dopest of the dope stuff or like Korean beauty is just way beyond regular beauty like skincare products and like anything is just going to be a step up. First of all, it is way cheaper than going to Sephora and getting like the expensive, highly marketed ones, and these work better. So just throwing it out there. If you want to save some money and actually help your skin more than like regular stuff, at least in my case, I'm having really incredible results with all this stuff. So I just wanted to share it and put it out in the universe because I know I was struggling for such a long time with my skin and now I really couldn't be happier. I'm having a very good year as far as like my hair and my skin is going. But that's it from me today. I just wanted to wish you guys a very, very happy new year. I'm sure I will see you on Instagram as well. I update that obviously a lot more than I do here on YouTube because I'm still able to do that in my situation. So if you don't follow me on Instagram and you've been wondering like what's up, then definitely go do that. My handle is down below. It's literally just my name. Anyways, I'm gonna go because it's starting to get a little bit louder in here now. But as always, I would like to thank you guys so much for watching, for sticking around, for subscribing, for being with me for all this time, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you. For the start of this new year, I have so much more coming. There's going to be so many more new videos coming out more frequently. I have a really big surprise for all of you. All I can say is that 2020 is going to be a big one, and I hope you are around to see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. Have a very happy and safe new year. I love you guys so much and I will see you in the next one next year.